This is Just World TV. Anything unjust in the planet, we will speak without fear or favor. A wake-up call for every Malays in Malaysia. Your unity will decide political stability in Malaysia. The problem in Malaysia today is Malay unity. There are too many Malay-based political parties that destroy Malay unity. The first Malay-based party to destroy the Malay unity, Keadilan Rakyat. They took away 42 seats in parliament. The Malays have weakened themselves. They don't seem to realize this. It is the number game. What number the Malays control decides the government in power. Whether anybody likes it or not, Malays must dominate politics in Malaysia. Then it is a balanced affair. In the 61 years rule of the Barisan National Government, the Indian and Chinese have accepted Malay dominance in politics and government. I grew up in that era seeing the unity among the races and the progress of the nation. Foreign leaders were surprised with our success stories. In the urban area, the Chinese vote for DAP. They control 37 parliament seats. There is no Indian majority seat in parliament or state. The Barisan National Government, UMNO, wanted Indian representation in the government. They put Indian candidates in a Malay constituency to make them win. As a result, we had 9 members of parliament, 1 minister with 2 deputy ministers. In every state we had state assembly and ESCO, other appointments, parliamentary secretary, appointed senators, Malaysian ambassadors to foreign country, appointment to government-linked companies, and many other appointments. The same way, MCA had the benefit like MIC in the government. This was Barisan National concept of power sharing. The Barisan National Government brought all-round progress. Any Malay who form a new political party is a traitor to the Malay race. They destroy Malay unity and weaken the political power of the Malays. This is the situation in Malaysia today. Tun had a dream of becoming the Prime Minister again. To fulfill his ambition, he ganged up with his political enemy and formed a few Malay-based political parties and the DAP to overthrow the government. You may have succeeded, but your government lasted 22 months. What a disgrace. The previous government lasted 61 years of track record. Tun, you are nobody if not for UMNO. Every title and position you have today is because of UMNO. You are ungrateful to UMNO. Karma punished you. If anybody is corrupt in the government, there are laws to punish them. But you blame UMNO. You bit the hand that fed you. Tun, with your influence in the government, being the Prime Minister, your children had made it big in the business world. UMNO has 3 million members. Some of them in the government may be corrupt, but you accuse all 3 million are useless people. Tun, you thought all the UMNO members will abandon the party and join you. You can cheat some of the people some of the time, not all the people all the time. A call to all Malays in Malaysia to join UMNO and strengthen the Malay unity, because UMNO has a track record of governing the nation for 61 years, and there must be only one party to represent the Malays. All other Malay-based political parties came to destroy Malay unity. The number of seats the Malays control in parliament strengthened the position of the Malay. And the Malay dominance in politics. The present political situation in Malaysia is created by the Malays. If the Malays unite in one banner, the political situation will be back to normal. We are running out of time. This has to happen now. Thank you, Malaysia. Please viral this video